Ba-dum, ba-dum, ba, 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 ba-da, ba-dum, ba-dum, ba, 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 ba-da. I'm my voice is very dry because winter is coming. Hey Alfred, do you have any solution for winter? What is this? Ooh, this is the HoMEDICS ultrasound humidifier. It comes with 2 essential oil starter kit. This is not your ordinary humidifier because of the essential oil that's included. Peppermint and orange. My favorite flavor. Okay, so I'll show you the box first before we open this. This one is programmable digital display right there. 2-gallon tank capacity. It's also warm and cool mist right here. It's very visible. Programmable humidistat between 35 to 60% right here. And of course, this is where you're gonna put the essential oil. I like that. This is also, you can choose between night mode if you don't want to be disturbed by your humidifier. Just the side part of the box. This is the front part. Like I said, two tanks right there, warm and cool. And the other side, whisper, quiet. The best part of this one is that you don't need a filter because clean and budget friendly. If you're in a budget just like me, this is really good for you. It also includes 2 demineralization cartridge right here. Enough of that. Let's open it right now. I'm so excited. My voice is very dry because of this winter. Ooh. Let's see. How do you open this? I can already smell the peppermint. What do we get from the box? Quick start guide, instructions, demineralization cartridge. It's hard to say. Stop essential oil starter kit, peppermint and orange. I like it. This is where you're gonna put the essential oil. Let's just put this aside first. Let's just destroy the plastic. Just like that. You see it? This is the front part. Like it. It's so futuristic. This is perfect for my bat cave. And this is the back part. Ooh. First, you have to remove this tape right here. You have to remove another tape here. How many tapes do you have? Come on. I just want to use it right now. So make sure that you remove the other tape here. Now you have your 2-gallon water tank right here. Oops. Looks like my lungs. Okay, enough of that. Let's put this back really quick. Just like that. And now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some water for this one so we can turn it on. Let me just show you the back part. See this tray right here? This is where you're gonna put the pad right here so you can put any essential oil that you want. It comes with orange and peppermint. So I think we'll try the peppermint when we use this because it's Christmas. Okay, so we're gonna put some water right now. Just like that. You have water already. Now, let's turn it on. Make sure to remove this plastic first before you plug it. And let's turn it on. Let's see how it looks like since I already put some water. Yeah. It's kind of heavy. A moment of truth. Let's turn it on. Can you see it? I can't see anything. Oh, it's uncool. Okay, so if you want to have more mist, press the plus button right there. If you want to decrease the mist, just decrease it right there. Okay, there you go. This is right now. It's a cool mode, just like that. If you want to have a warm mode, press this. Is it warm now? Oh yes, it's warm. Just like that. Let's put it in cool mode. You want to set it? It's up to you. 55, 60. Of course, the timer. Set the timer for how many hours? 2 hours? 4 hours? 8 hours? Or even 12 hours? Just like that. And the night mode. Okay, so the night mode is basically... Oh wait. That's awesome. You see this? If you press the night mode, can you see it? Ooh. You know what? I'll just turn off the lights for you so you so you can see it. Okay, it's really dark. But if you press the night mode, ooh, it's so nice, I should say. Can you see it properly? Okay, let's turn the light right now. The smoke! That's a lot of smoke! Okay, I just wanted to show this to you really quick. This is where you're gonna put the essential oil. To make sure that it's turned off, press this one, just like that. And let's drop some peppermint, because Christmas is already here. Rub it or dub it. Just like that. It's really good. So once you put enough peppermint oil, or whatever oil you want, just put that aside. And just put this back in. Just like that. And then turn it on. All the way to 5. I want the light to be on also. It's kind of heavy. Yeah. I can already smell the peppermint. It's really nice. And it smells so good. This is awesome. Okay, so now I guess I should just leave it on because it smells so awesome and it's really good. As always, I'm gonna leave a link down below where you can find this HoMEDICS Humidifier. Remember, subscribe if you're new to my channel. This is the Silent Ghost Reaper. And I'm out. Ooh, oh wait. And I'm out. What the? Programmable digital show. What? There's a light behind me. I mean, there's a light